Hey guys, I just took off this one of AC control unit in my Fiat Fremont, and yeah, just like to share, it's not one of easiest one to remove, and just I think I broke or damaged these clips, but hopefully when I'll put it back it's gonna work. So yeah, you guys get the idea what type of clips these are. So just put some force on these corners here, all these four corners, one by one, to take it off. I think if you're able to take one or two off, then rest of easily come off. So it's up there, the finished job. And so I place my AC control from here to back there, and I show previously how I removed it, the AC controls from here. And the best place to run the wires for your DVD, especially the power wires, is just take off this seal, back door seal from here. Don't need to take this hole off, just that much area you can take off from here, and take off these lights, the next light as well, both these lights, so you have a way you can run your wire through here and can bring along here, so you'll get the access under here. So this one can be lift up, pass through here, and I connected here, as I don't use this lighter much, so I connected my power for headroof mount DVD player at this lighter here. And also I got the AVA control wires under here, so whenever if I have to hook up anything else, I can use those wires. Thanks.